Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So in this video, I will show you how much money does Paw Sellers make on YouTube. Paw Seller is a woodworking YouTube channel that publishes new woodworking tips and project videos. Paw Seller teaches woodworking online, in classes, and in books. On his YouTube channel, you will find woodworking videos and instructions. On his channel is where he shares his woodworking experience. He currently has 326,000 subscribers and about 37 million views, which is a lot to say the least. Now let's talk about his most popular videos. How to make a mortise and tenon joint has 1.7 million views. How to make a dovetail joint has 1.5 million views. Preparing and sharpening a woodworking chisel has 1.2 million views. And making a spoon with a gouge and swell shape has 1.1 million views. Now let's talk about his YouTube journey. He started his channel back on November 20th, 2011. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 326,000. Total amount of views is 37 million. Average daily subs is 228. Monthly subs is 6,853. Now let's talk about how much money he makes in a single day. This is going to be an estimate. His daily views is currently 26,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber $3. So his daily income is $78. Monthly income is $2,340. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. His income is $20,080. Now YouTube cut takes 45%. So his income after the YouTube cut is $15,444. Now Paw Seller also has a store where he sells books and CDs and DVDs. So this is some of his books and DVDs that he has. So he currently has 326,000 subscribers, and let's say 1% of them buy something. That's 3,260, and he makes about $15 profit per sale. So do the math: 3,260 times it by 15 is an extra $48,000, $900. He makes an extra per year just from his store. It's pretty good. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.